Hello everyone. In this session, we'll talk about one very good feature, that is the ScreenShot. Those of you who use Windows, they must be knowing about print screen on the keyboard. Once you press print screen, you can go to Paint and paste the present screen for which the shot has been taken by Windows and insert it in any document. But in Microsoft Excel, that option is inbuilt into the software, and it is at times very useful. So let us go to Insert, and we will see something known as a ScreenShot. You can see it here. Now once you do click on a ScreenShot, you have various screens which are open at the moment, and you can select any one of these screens that you take the screenshot and insert into your document. Say for example, I'm clicking on this. Now you can drag it wherever you want. Now this is the screenshot that has been taken. Now I can right click anywhere and say, first we can say size and properties, and maybe we can decrease or increase the size if it is too big for you to handle, or for your document. Instead of 100%, I'll say 90%. I think I'll further make it smaller. Okay, that looks to be okay. Now in the same form, you see there's just below size there is something known, just above size there is something known as crop. Now here you can crop your image. Maybe this top black color bar is not required, so we will go and click on top bar which is showing it as 0. So we'll further bring it down. See, the unnecessary part I'm removing. Similarly from the left, sorry, I have to decrease the width. That is perfect. And height maybe. So this is correct, and this, and then decrease the size. This is the perfect picture. Now I'll close this, move it wherever you want in the documents, and then save it. So it is same as print screen, but you don't have to go to a particular screen, take the print screenshot, make changes in the Paint or any image editor. You can directly do it from the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. So hope this will be useful for your day-to-day usage of Microsoft spreadsheet, and I'll see you in the next session. Thank you.